What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Creative Pineapple. Today we're going to be making a poster about color schemes. So we're going to get started, and for my example I am going to use complementary colors. That is my favorite color scheme. So when I see these turned in, I should not see any that are exact copies of what I'm making today, but you can use these ideas and make them your own. So for complementary, first I want to label it. It's a poster, I want it to look good. So I'm going to label it complementary. And you can make it fancy if you want. You don't have to. You're just going to put the word there. For the sake of time, I'm just going to put the word. So you have the name. Your first quarter is supposed to be a color wheel. So you guys already learned how to draw a color wheel. We learned some tricks for how to draw it easier. So I'm going to draw my circle. Remember, we're not using compasses this year, so just draw your circle as best you can. And then remember, for a 6-section color wheel, which is all you have to draw for this, we're going to draw a skinny X, so shortened X in the middle, and then a straight line going down through the circle. And as you can see, it's not going to be quite perfect, and that's okay. If you want it to be perfect, you can erase them now that you know where your lines are going to be, and you can make it a little bit better. Because I know you guys want to present your best work and put your best foot forward. So we're going to make it look the way that we want it to. Make sure everything goes to the same spot. And we have our 6 sections. And remember, from there, we just go in the order of the rainbow. So the top one, I usually do the top a little bit right. It's going to be red. And then we have orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Now, complementary, as we learned in class, are colors that are across from each other. So like blue and orange, or purple and yellow, or red and green. My favorite is blue and orange. So maybe for my poster, I want to draw like a little arrow in here to remind myself that complementary colors are across from each other. Okay, then we have 3 other sections. We need to have an example drawing, and maybe I'm going to leave most of my space for that. So this side can be my example, and then down here I can put my benefits, obstacles, and why you would use it. So some good things about this is that it's bright. It's strong contrast. And it catches attention. And if you want to highlight this and make it stand out, you can do that. And then things bad about it, nothing actually looks like that. It's not realistic. You can find a lot more. And then why you would use it, you want to catch attention. You want something to look bold. And notice I repeated catching attention. If it's for a reason and you're doing it on purpose, and that's the main reason that you would want to use it, that's fine. But you can also include other things like the boldness that it offers. Okay, and then the whole rest of the slide, or not the slide, the paper, is for your example drawing. So maybe in here you can draw a flower or something like that that catches attention. So for complementary, since it's all about catching attention and being bright and in your face like a movie poster, you could draw a movie poster to fill it up. I think I am going to draw a flower. And then all we have to do left is color it. So we have our poster, it needs to be colored in, and then we can turn it in. So let me just do that part for you real quick, fast forward it, and then you'll turn it in and you'll be done for the day. So I'm gonna say it ahead of time, peace and love. It's been great, and I'll see you in the next video.